Hello, everyone. I'm part of the Strategic and Systemic Thinking course in Business School of Lausanne. Today, I will introduce you to the online software Sysdea. As we have advanced further with the course, we reach the point where we would have to personally get to know and use the models we're examining in our classwork. Dr. Arash Galnau has introduced us to the online modeling website that allows us to create and develop our own dynamic systems, Sysdea. With his guidance and online resources, we managed to understand and become familiar with the online program to be able to properly construct our own models. So, what is Sysdea? It's a modern online modeling software that allows one to create dynamic systems to observe and experiment theoretical models that are applied to day activities and to economic, environmental, social, and governmental sectors. How does it work? The Sysdea model consists of three basic elements: stocks, which accumulate and deplete, flows that give input and output of the stocks, and variables that have an effect on the progress of the simulation. Each element is interconnected, and a simple change within can cause a complete alteration of the system. In addition, we can insert sub elements like functions and submodels to further improve the simulation of the system. So, what is the purpose of Sysdea? You have the ability to construct and manipulate the model, and that is already a benefit for the user. However, there are three main advantages of such an online software. First is speed and correction. Once you get familiar with the interface, Sysdea will complete the other part for you. Firstly, it will help you with the fast construction of the draft and suggest features that will let you choose information that can be connected except the data, and will give you an immediate feedback about the correctness of your modeling skills. Second, possibility to compare. The software allows you to simultaneously run the same model with different data and show how a single variable could alter the system. And third is report and share. After the simulation has been completed, it is possible to create a shared link with your friend and wait for his or her appraisal. If you follow our second link, you can find how you can easily construct a Sysdea model. Thank you for listening.